Hello everyone, I'm Lopamudra. Welcome to my channel Healthy Body and Healthy Mind. I made lots of video on dietitian as a dietitian. But today I think little bit change the topic. I'm an image consultant, personality developer, and I groomed people and fashion consultant also. Some people are very shy. Some people keep their woman, basically women, don't try to do something with their hair, body, and anything. So, my request first give priority to yourself. You will, if you are happy, then you keep happy everyone. So, I'm now started talking about image consultant, personality developer, and fashion consultant. So, I'm now started talking about image consultant, personality developer, and fashion consultant. What is image consultant? Image consultant is a thing जिसमें आप किसी का प्रोफेशनल पर्सनल लाइफ को इन्हांस कर सकते हो, राइट? Improve yourself, how to sit, how to talk, all those things. In personality development, in corporate also, you have to learn lots of manners. Without these manners in corporate sector, you never ever grow your career. Okay. And last of fashion, I'm coming. So so many people I saw in India wearing jeans with jhumka, bindi, western dress with jhumka, bindi. That is irritating me. Okay, I'm telling it's a not. Don't do this. Okay, you can wear a little diamond type of earring. You are when you are wearing an Indian dress, you can wear all those things. Actually, na our face is three to four type I think. Yes, one is full round face, one is heart shape, and another is diamond shape, and another is oval shape. दो जिसको ओवल शेप है, you no need to do anything. You can do any haircut, anything, you're free. And जिसका हार्ट शेप भी है वो भी फ्री होता है, उसको भी सब कुछ सूट कर जाता है. जैसे कियारा है ओवल शेप, ऐश्वर्या राय इज अ हार्ट शेप फेस. Now I'm coming about diamond shape face. Diamond shape face is Kareena Kapoor. You have seen there is a lots of cheekbones for her. If you have a diamond face type, you have to keep your hair like this. But I have a oval face, not diamond face. Still, I am help you to do this. Up to this much you cut. You can color, you can do anything, but your chubby cheeks will hide. So, और जिसका ओवल शेप तो हो गया, हार्ट शेप हो गया, डायमंड शेप हो गया. नाउ आई एम कमिंग टू बॉक्स शेप. बॉक्स शेप जो है ना, उसको भी ऐसे लॉन्ग करके आप पीछे से स्टेप कर सकते हो. सामने फ्लिक्स कर सकते हो, बैंग कर सकते हो, जैसे मेरा हेयर बैंग. सो ऑल दोज थिंग्स यू कैन डू. एंड oval shape face can do anything. I'm lucky I have a oval face. And round face is very cute. If their chubby cheeks is a little bit कम हो जाता है ना, then they will look much body shape. I'm not body shaming anyone. Don't take it personally. I'm not taking about body shaming. So, body you are wear and saw and like that dress and buy, but it's not suits you. You even don't know people are smiling behind you because that doesn't suit you. So, first figure is hourglass figure. In hourglass figure, you can wear any kind of dresses, like any no nothing. There is no uh, option to say no. Second, I'm coming to pear shape. जिसका pear shape का फिगर होता है ना, उसका नीचे का ना मतलब हिप्स बहुत हिप्स का जो बोन है बहुत चौड़ा है और जो शोल्डर है बहुत नैरो होता है. तो उनके लिए ऊपर जस्ट फ्लैपी टाइप ड्रेस पहन लो और ढीली जैसी मैक्सी टाइप की जो बहुत सारे ड्रेसेस है. यू कैन चूज फ्रॉम विडोमोडा, you can choose from Alan Soile, any you can choose from Kaju, you can choose from Label, you can choose from Lifestyle, you can choose from Pantaloons. But remember that don't buy bodycon dress and wear dress. That's not for you. Best option Fleet and Fair. You can wear it. Now I am coming about apple shape. This is a big problem, apple shape को ठीक करना. So it's just like a tire you in your belly, hip, all over. So it also not good for health also. So this tire shape को भी मैं शेप कर देती हूँ. हाँ, you wear long stripe dress, don't wear any belt, and A-line dress you can wear, Fleet and Fair you can wear. And another things, best option you can wear loose kurti with pocket. That is also style. Shraddha Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, they all wear this kind of things. So this kind of top kurti and plazo you can use. It looks awesome. So today we know our face type. Number 1, heart shape and oval shape. No need to change. You can do whatever. Second, coming diamond shape. Then you have to cut your hair like this, up to this much. And who has round, big, chubby cheeks, she also have do this. But if you have a chubby cheeks, you just follow some yoga, face yoga. I will provide you next time. And फिगर के लिए तो फिगर के लिए भी मैंने बोल दिया. आवर ग्लास कैन वेयर एनीथिंग. They suit much more corporate dress like work dress, like bodycon dress, whatever they can wear. It looks awesome. And second is apple shape. There is a tire shape body, right? And they make it. They have to blame themselves because it's not possible कि आप हर वक्त सोते रहो. फॉर दिस रीज़न ये हो जाता है, मतलब एप्पल शेप फिगर आ जाता है. तो सेडेंटरी लाइफ छोड़ दो, ठीक है. आपको फिट एंड फेयर लॉन्ग ए लाइन जो भी पहनो, थोड़ा मतलब ढीला पड़ना. आप सोच रहे हो आपको बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही है, आप उसको बांध के आपको खुद को गुब्बारा बना दिया. और लगता है सबको ये गुब्बारा कब फट जाएगा. अगर ये गुब्बारा फट जाएगा तो क्या होगा. सो कीप योर सेल्फ ब्यूटिफुल एंड एलिगेंट.